If you look at the headlines today, it is obvious people are making a lot of money in the cryptocurrency space, and I'm just going to call it now. Look, I don't know why this guy sold his Shiba Inu coin here, but he probably sold it a little too early. We're going to talk a little bit about that in this video. We're going to touch on the Dogeverse pre-sale, because if you guys haven't seen Dogeverse, it is gearing up to do amazing things upon launch, and there's only 5 days left to buy it. So you guys got to make a decision quickly on that one. But we're going to be talking about it in this video. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. And just a huge shout out to the team over at Dogeverse for doing an amazing job on this pre-sale. 5 days left. Now, we're going to talk about this in a second if you do find yourself interested in buying. But meme coins are here to rally. People are making a lot of money right now, and the story floating around about Shiba Inu coin today is that Shiba Inu coin trader turned $2.7 thousand into $1.24 million. Literally buying in at its early stages, riding it out, yes, through the ups of 2021 and back down, but this trader making over $1 million on a single trade. And I think you could be doing that on some of the new coins that are coming up here, especially ones like Dogeverse that haven't launched yet. So I'm just going to pick an article here, this one, because I know it's got a nice little summary in it. And it says that a trader turned a $2,700 investment in Shiba Inu coin into $1.24 million after holding for over 3 years. Now, still, dealing with meme coins can be quite risky due to their extreme volatility, often leading to significant losses, and investors should be mindful. This is the entire risk to reward aspect of the cryptocurrency space. I'm going to be honest with you, buying Bitcoin is a risk. Buying Ethereum is a risk. Solana, some of the biggest coins out there, are a risk. Why? Because cryptocurrency is an extremely speculative industry. It is really only as good as, at least in the current stages, it's really only as good as the people who are willing to support it. Now, of course, you're going to have critics saying, well, no, Bitcoin's better than that. It's a store of value. Have you seen the technology that Ethereum is building? Dude, talk about Solana. Yes. Okay, I get the aspect that these ventures truly are building out technology. They could be viewed as commodities and stores of value. Absolutely, I understand all of that. But if you break anything down in this life, it has a book value, sure, but market value. Everything has a market value. And that's where price action comes in, and that's why I believe Dogeverse could do so well. So if you understand the risk to reward ratio, and you guys do find yourself wanting to buy into the Dogeverse pre-sale, make sure you use the affiliate link that's in the description below to do so, and it's going to pull you up to the correct website. There are a lot of scammers out there. These guys have raised tens of millions of dollars, and scammers want a piece of it. So if you guys want to pull up the correct site, make sure to click that link down in the description below. And if you want to jump in with 10 Ethereum, you're going to be walking away with 120 million Dogeverse. Now let's think about this for a second. 120 million Dogeverse. If it simply goes to a penny, they're going to be talking about you and writing articles about you walking away with $1.2 million. 120 million times the 1 penny price point, $1.2 million. Now, how hard is it for Dogeverse to go to a penny? Well, if it's simply 3x's, you're going to be burning that first zero right there. And from there, it's a 10x increase. So overall from the launch price, a 30x increase. I've already seen tokens launch this year that have hit 30x increase. Go take a look at Smog token if you want. Smog token launched, I believe it was in early February, and within a month, 30x increased. Now, clearly, I'm not saying that Dogeverse is guaranteed to do that because I just got done telling you how risky this stuff is. So let's talk about the market price for a second. Dogeverse right now in its pre-sale stages, book value. It's what the founders or the team at Dogeverse have decided that each token is worth, and they are selling it. The people that are buying into the pre-sale, they're investing in essentially the book value, stated at 0003. Market value is going to determine what Dogeverse is worth. And if market value says we're creating something here the tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people will be using in the Dogeverse bridge, being able to bridge between the top 6 blockchains. You guys can see it here. They're going to be utilizing superior bridging technology, and Dogeverse is going to be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks, bouncing back and forth between Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. If they do that, how much will the market determine that it's worth? If they're able to capture the attentions and the hearts of all of the meme coin traders out there, we know the meme coin traders are insane. I'm one of them. How much will we determine that Dogeverse is worth? Guys, if you see it burn just 2 zeros, that 10 Ethereum, 120 million Dogeverse would turn into $1.2 million. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Full disclosure, I have bought into Dogeverse. I'm very excited about Dogeverse, and I cannot wait for the launch of Dogeverse in just a little over 5 days. Let me know what you guys think about it, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.